In today's competitive e-commerce landscape, staying connected with your customers at every touchpoint is crucial. But what happens when a customer adds items to their cart and then leaves without completing the purchase? It's one of the biggest challenges for online retailers: abandoned shopping carts. Introducing MessageWhiz, the ultimate cross-channel communication strategy to help e-commerce businesses recover abandoned carts and boost conversions. With MessageWhiz, you can engage your customers right where they are, using RCS messaging, SMS, email, and push notifications. Our smart automation sends personalized reminders and special offers, increasing the chances of conversion. And with RCS messaging, you get rich interactive content like product images, buttons, and even checkout links. By meeting customers across multiple channels, you create a seamless, personalized experience that drives sales and keeps them coming back for more. MessageWhiz. Transform your e-commerce strategy with effective cross-channel communication and turn abandoned carts into loyal customers. Visit MessageWhiz today to get started.